little thing, tell you about a dream. All our friends, you and me, we were dancing in the streets. We were wild, we were free, we were making memories. I'm gonna shout, I'm gonna sing, yeah. Give you something to believe in. 1, 2, 3, let's go, let's go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Let me show you, you know that I got that soul, yeah. Show you, you know that I got that soul, yeah. I can go high as I wanna, watching me fly, cause I'm gonna show you that I got that soul. I'm just gonna be me.
Grabe ang saya rito, hindi ko akalain na ibibigay ito ng libre sa company. Hindi naman siya kalakihan, pero bilang sa mga nag-start pa lang sa ganitong industry, maganda sumama. Alam mo kung bakit, kasi mag-enjoy ka na, matututo ka pa.
Hi everyone! Hi GPAX Believers! So, congratulations po sa ating lahat. Lalo na sa sarili ko, I am proud kasi this is my first time na maka-attend na team building dito sa company natin at sobrang ganda, sobrang saya. Although hindi pa ako ganun kalakas, pero dito lumakas ako, nagmumagti-magti pa ako and sobrang dami ko po natutunan.
1, 2, 3, let's go, let's go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Let me show you, you know that I got that soul, yeah. Show you, you know that I got that soul, yeah.
Nakakatuwa yung ganitong initiative ng company, GPAX International. Yes. Kasi dito talaga na-build yung unity, yung teamwork ng bawat isa, lalo na kung downline mo man, upline mo, yes. Even cross lines mo.
Napakasaya na nangyaring team building na to, guys. And alam nyo ba, napakadami kong na-experience, natutunan, lalo na pagdating sa teamwork. Ito yung the best na meron yung GPAX, yung team building ng mga ganitong pakulo. Kasi mas namomold kami as a leader, as a distributor, na magkaroon ng connection with the team.
Napakaganda. It's really a great privilege to join in this team building. You know what? Talagang you miss one half of your life kung hindi kayo sumama dito sa team building na to.
Let me show you that I got that soul, that I got that soul. Yeah, I got that soul.
Dapat din natin pinapalampas yung mga ganitong klaseng event, no? Kaya naman, sobrang sarap lang habang ginagawa yung business, nag-enjoy tayo at the same time, nakikilala natin yung bawat isa sa buong GPAX International. And thank you so much sa lahat ng mga staff and kay Sir David, syempre. Hopefully, next team building, kasama na kayong lahat.
GPAX!